Greetings and welcome to Simple Cooking Made Simple. I'm the Carolina Chef. So I wanted to talk to you guys today about thawing meat. So there's several different ways that you can thaw meat. You can use water, use your sink, place it in a big pot, and make sure your cold water continuously runs. That's a good way to thaw. You can also use the microwave, or you can cook it to thaw it. But the best way to thaw meat is to just put it in the refrigerator, and you want to leave it there overnight. If it's a big piece of meat, make sure you allow 2 to 3 days to let that thaw. And that is the best way to thaw your meat. I know you're probably wondering why I'm all bundled up. We're getting ready to make a smoked pot roast that is going to be delicious. So make sure you guys check that video out. It will be out later this week. And thanks for stopping by. Make sure you smash that like button, subscribe, share with your family and friends, and leave us a comment. Thanks very much. Have a good day.